Is there construction going on in your neighborhood? Surely you will see the subway building project on the way home. Do you remember the MNC office that was built a long time ago? We see so many construction projects in our daily lives and wonder why they never seem to end. The reason is that the construction industry, which is often called infrastructure, is one of the most important economic bases. That's a huge achievement for a developing country like ours. Construction in progress, from small to large. Thousands of people work in this industry all year round. Moreover, it's the most important contribution to our economy. Therefore, when the pandemic hit, the industry inevitably closed. Now that everything's back to normal, several major projects have reopened and will be completed by the end of 2021 or early next year. Let's have a look at the ongoing projects. The Chenab Rail Bridge. Chenab Bridge is one of the most valuable Indian railway projects today. With a height of 1,315 meters, it's one of the highest and the longest railway bridges in the world, and it will be built at a height of 359 meters. Located between Bakal and Kauri in Jammu and Kashmir, J&K district, India. The construction of this bridge is still ongoing and is expected to be completed in March 2019. It has a lifespan of more than 120 years. This will make a big contribution to the country's economy and provide better transportation options. The $92 million bridge for 5.12 billion Indian rupees is part of the JUSBRL, Jammu, Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla Railway Project implemented by the Indian Ministry of Railways. The bridge will have a dual carriageway of 14 meters wide and a middle section of 1.2 meters wide. Traveling through the mountains of Jammu and Kashmir has always been a difficult task for locals and tourists alike. Hence, the need for transportation facilities was recognized and the construction of a national railway project was proposed, linking J&K to the rest of India. The project includes the construction of several bridges and tunnels along the route. Chenab Bridge is one of them. It will cross the Chenab River and provide access to Kashmir Valley from Udhampur. Chenab River is very unique and is the first bridge in India to form a solid steel arch. This design is based on the experience of similar projects around the world. The deep Chenab River valley under the bridge is vulnerable to strong wind pressure, which threatens the stability of the bridge. However, it is designed for wind speeds of up to 260 km per hour. The seismic properties of the project area are also taken into account in planning. This unique bridge is made of steel because it's relatively economical and can withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius. As a safety risk in the event of a terrorist attack, the bridge will be constructed of special 63mm explosion-proof steel along with concrete columns designed to withstand explosions. It's very difficult to build bridges in the most difficult and remote places. One of the biggest challenges in building the bridge is to build the bridge without affecting the flow of the river. The bridge deck is partly built on a straight horizon and partly on a curve. It's on a transition curve with a change in radius. Construction will be carried out in stages after a gradual change of route. This is the first time a bridge has been built incrementally over a transition curve. Once the bridge is completed, the train journey from Jammu to Srinagar will take about 5 hours, which currently takes about 11 hours by road. It's a dream come true for Kashmiri locals and tourists looking to explore the majestic valley. It will also encourage the tourism industry as this bridge is unique enough to be considered a tourist attraction itself. Be a great achievement. Expressway Mumbai to Delhi. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is a visionary project by the Government of India which will connect the two largest financial centres of the country, which is the national capital of New Delhi and the economic capital of India, Mumbai. The 8-lane expressway is the longest toll road in the world, which can be expanded to 12 lanes depending on traffic. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway route is under construction and managed by the National Highways Authority of India. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway project is expected to be completed by December 2023 and it will reduce travel time between Delhi and Mumbai from 24 hours to 12 hours. The Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is a 1,350 km 8-lane highway that will halve the travel time between India's two major cities. The groundbreaking for the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway route was carried out on March 9, 2019 by the Union Minister for Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari. The Mumbai-Delhi Expressway will pass through 5 states including Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. More than 15,000 hectares of land are used to construct the Delhi-Mumbai highway in these 5 states. The highway will also start from Gurgaon in Haryana and pass through Jaipur and Sawai Madhopur in Rajasthan. The route then passes through Ratlam in Madhya Pradesh and Vadodara in Gujarat until it ends in Mumbai in Maharashtra. The construction cost of the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is around 1 lakh crores, which include the cost of land ownership. This project will be implemented as part of Bharat Mala Pariyojana's Phase 1 plan. According to the government's official statement, 1,200 kilometers of the total construction area of 1,380 kilometers will be commissioned and under construction. The government will implement the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway project in 52 building packages. The National Highways Authority of India established a special purpose vehicle to fund the operation and construction of the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway route. The SPV will be on behalf of DME Development Limited on 29 August 2020. According to a recent NHAI statement, DMEDL has been awarded an AAA rating by CARE, CRISIL and India Ratings. According to NHAI, DMEDL has raised around 9,731 crore rupees to fund the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway project. Most of the financial support came from SBI, that is 5,000 crore rupees. Other big investors in DMEDL are Bank of Maharashtra, PNB and Axis Bank. The passage between Alipur and Dausa will be open to passengers from 15th August 2022. Travel time is reduced to 2.5 hours. The current journey takes 4 hours. This 8-lane highway will help reduce the traffic and congestion on the road. The Ministry of Road and Highway Transport has activated the fibre optic cable network on the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. It's part of the Indian National Broadband Mission. The fibre optic cable network will help improve telecommunication connectivity. The project will surely give relief to the passengers. NMIA Navi Mumbai International Airport. Mumbai is going to get another international airport. In my viewpoint, it's a great project and it will be a great achievement. Let's know more about the project. The Mumbai Navi International Airport project has reached an important milestone. The City and Industrial Development Company have reportedly acquired 100% of the land required to develop the project. The City Planning Authority of the Maharashtra government has vacated 3,070 buildings in the project area. These structures include public and private buildings, churches and public temples, schools and cemeteries. CIDCO has also completed all the necessary and important pre-development activities in the airport area. Navi Mumbai International Airport project is a greenfield international airport to be developed along National Highway 4B near Panvel, Navi Mumbai in Maharashtra, India, under a public-private partnership between the Airport Authority of India and Government Maharashtra together with Mumbai International Airports Limited. With an investment of more than $2.5 billion, the project involved the construction of a 5-story H-shaped terminal building with a total area of 523,000 meters square. The terminal consists of 2 concourses, 78 airport contact positions, 29 long-haul aircraft positions, and more than 350 check-in counters. It will also have 3 walkways, 1 level and 2 elevated. The first level of the sidewalk will be dedicated to commercial vehicles, while the second and the third will be dedicated to arrivals and departures, respectively. The terminal will have online check-in and an integrated baggage handling system on the area of 13,290 square meters. The Mumbai Navi International Airport project will be located in the booming city of Mumbai, India. It will be a greenfield international airport serving in parallel with the existing Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. The airport will be India's first and only urban multi-airport. The first phase of the airport will be able to handle more than 10 million passengers a year. It's also said that the first phase would later be expanded to a final capacity to handle an impressive 90 million passengers a year. The airport's air traffic control tower, as well as the airport's passenger terminal, are being designed by London-based Zaha Hadid architects. The final master plan for the project will be prepared by Texas-based Jacobs Engineering Group. I'm eagerly waiting and very excited for this project to be completed. Are you excited too? The Bharat Mala project. To improve connectivity, particularly along economic corridors, border areas and remote areas, the central government launched an ambitious highway development program in 2017, the Bharat Mala project. The Bharat Mala project is a major state-funded highway and highway project in India for which the central government plans to build a robust high-speed roadway network across the country. The Bharat Mala project is touted as the second largest highway construction project in India after the National Highway Development Project (NHDP). The road network, which was built as part of the flagship project of Central Bharat Mala, is expected to, among other things, accelerate the movement of goods and increase international trade. Bharat Mala will reduce logistics costs, which will affect exports and investment, said Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari after the Union Cabinet approved the project on October 25, 2017. A faster move is also likely to reduce supply chain costs by 18% to 6% of the current average. The launch of this program is expected to bring a new wave of development to the nation in the form of roads that are maintained and improved. Within the framework of this project, road construction will be carried out in all corners of the country. Bharat Mala is the name given to the road construction, and it will include many other related plans as well. Completion of all the programs will ensure the success of the program as a whole. The project will provide opportunities for many people. The project is expected to create nearly 22 million jobs and 100 million workdays as a result of increased economic activity across India. The National Highways Authority of India, the National Highways and Industrial Development Corporation, and the State Public Works Agency have been contracted to carry out the project. I'm very excited to see India progressing with such projects. What's your opinion about the project? World's first Motorable road through glaciers. It's going to be the first time in the world the Himank project of the Road Frontier organization is building and developing a highway that crosses a glacier for the first time in the world. One of these roads will be the world's first motorized road, which will pass through the world's highest glacier in eastern Ladakh. The road from Sasoima to Sasala, built at an altitude of more than 5,000 meters, will be an important link, paved over unstable glaciers and frequently changing its physical configuration. The construction of this road is special because of the challenges posed by the glaciers and the harsh climate. With the adverse weather conditions, scorching cold winds and freezing winds, there is always a risk of cracks and landslides during road construction, a spokesperson for the Border Roads organization said in a statement. The spokesman said that with temperatures dropping to negative 50 degrees Celsius in winter and peak summer in the region hovering around 12 Celsius, working in such extreme weather is a very strenuous task, and the glaciers are constantly shifting as the snow melts, adding to the difficulty. Because the working time is quite short, border road officers make initial preparations and develop work strategies to achieve their goals in a limited time. Short working hours must be utilized to the fullest, which requires effective management of manpower and resources to address these challenges. Scheduling of work starts 4 to 5 months before the start of the working season, he said. The construction of such a road was made possible thanks to better equipment, resources, training and medical facilities available to BRO personnel working on high altitudes. This is going to be one of the toughest projects in India, but I believe this is going to be done. What are your thoughts? Other projects and information regarding internal affairs. India has set a new record in infrastructure development by building many of the largest, tallest and longest structures in the world. India's infrastructure sector, the main engine of the country's economic development and growth, continues to be at the center of the government's policies, initiatives and investment plans. The sector has seen many changes in the business model, including the more active involvement of the private sector to create world-class infrastructure in the country. As a result, India is now on the global infrastructure map to build the world's largest infrastructure project. The country has seen many firsts. The construction of record-breaking skyscrapers, the longest tunnels, large-capacity stadiums for international sporting events, long railway bridges to better connect the states, large green airports to handle increased passenger traffic and much more. With all of these projects in progress, imagine the amount of work required for road construction vehicles, graders and backhoes. The demand for these machines is increasing, whether in West India or South India, North or East India. Infrastructure projects are spread across the country with continuously developing roads and development plans. This country looked different 10 years ago and it will continue to change every decade. This demand will continue to increase as India will become a technologically advanced country that requires better connectivity. And that is only possible with a better road, rail, water and air transport network. The Construction World Global Awards, known as the Construction Industry Oscars, is a calendar of events for the industry giant. The event was the culmination of a painstaking process that ranked India's fastest-growing construction machinery and building materials companies based on various criteria. Over the years, this event has acted as a catalyst for growth and success, giving star players the spotlight they deserve, identifying potential powerhouses and inspiring the entire industry to raise its standards of performance and quality. This shows the success that India got in recent years. India is progressing at a high rate. Various projects are coming up, and with these projects, India will be economically stronger. Thanks for staying until the end. Share your thoughts or comments in the box below, and see you next time.